I'm going to take you through project tasks specifically. We're inside the project section of Focus HQ at the moment, and you can see I have some active projects. You can also see there is a progress bar for each project. And all the progress bar really is how many tasks you have in total minus how many tasks have been completed, which shows you the outstanding percentage that we still have left. Really, really simple calculation. You don't have to do any work. I've kind of taken care of the heavy lifting for you. Let's go into an individual project. As I scroll down in this project, you can add tasks in a number of different areas. First, you have the new task, really quick, click the button, add the task in. Below that, you have tasks with assigned days, those specific tasks that we've already added into a day in the coming week. And then you have a task inbox. Those tasks don't have an assigned day at the moment. You will probably find, because Focus HQ is primarily a daily and a weekly planner to move you forward each week, that you may have a number of tasks inside here that still are waiting to be assigned. That's fine. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you what's really, really useful when it comes to task specific projects, specifically because there's more dependencies. Let's say you're working with somebody else. It could be a collaborator, it could be a client in a project, but you have some non negotiables like this kickoff meeting has to happen on a specific date. So I click the edit and I click add a due date to that. So let's just say we're going to add that in for next Tuesday. Now, what you can see is we have next Tuesday, and all of the other tasks don't have any due date. It's organized chronologically that we can see what's happening the next 7 days. We can see what's happening next 30 days, next, 2, 3 weeks or months and stuff like that as well. So you can add all of your tasks into the inbox. And if there's any specific milestones that have to be delivered, phone calls, meetings, check-ins, you can add them in here before you even assign them to a specific day. And what's useful then is when you come into the project and you want to plan and you want to assign them to a day, well, I can see that needs to be assigned to next Tuesday. So I'm just going to drag that in to Tuesday. That task is now assigned into Tuesday as part of the project. You can do that with any of the tasks. It's a simple drag and drop method for each one of them. But what's really helpful in projects, specifically using them with focus modes, is the mode section that you can see all of the tasks that are assigned specific days, how much work, how much mental work is involved in each one of them. Oh, I have a lot of sports mode, intensive, deep work tasks coming up, or I have a lot of admin tasks for the next week for this client project. That really helps you to balance that mental load between different projects and between different tasks that have to be done throughout the week. And also, on an overview of tasks, the review section is absolutely invaluable. I have planned 125 minutes, some eco mode tasks, some sports mode tasks for this specific project. That's planned total time. That's any tasks that are in the inbox, any tasks that are assigned a day. That's the overall project plan of outstanding work still to be done. In the spent section, 570 minutes have already been logged inside those specific focus modes. Really helpful throughout the project if you're going beyond the mental bandwidth and time that you've estimated. Maybe this project is more mentally intensive than you anticipated. Maybe the project needed a lot more learning in off road mode, or maybe there was a lot more admin in this project. Maybe you need to bring somebody else into the next kind of project that's similar to this to take care of some of the admin and take it off your plate. Or maybe there was a lot of sports mode tasks, intensive focus. Do you need to hire somebody to take care of some of that mental bandwidth for you so you can concentrate on something else? Or do you need to increase the timelines or increase the price for those projects and stuff like that as well? So you get a really, really good overview of tasks by categorizing them into modes in a project as well.